Good morning to all students of class first year and class inter RS Inter College Khan. Today I am going to teach you the common topic of grammar. This common topic is asked in the examinations of first year and intermediate. That's why you have to understand it very well. And the common topic is idioms. Although I have taught idioms to intermediate classes, but intermediate classes should understand it very carefully in revision, and they also have to write down in their fair copy. Idioms or phrases or proverbs are very small sentences which have been used by the great scholars, writers, poets, dramatists, novelists, which lines have been become very popular, and they are given the example whenever the people are doing conversation or they are talking. So these idioms increase the charm of the conversation or the writing as the figures of speech do. For example, all that glitters is not gold means external. Its meaning is not given with the words, but its meaning is different than the words. All that glitters is not gold means externally which thing looks very attractive is not necessary that internally it may be good. In the same way, the man who looks externally good may be bad internally. His thoughts in mind may be bad, his activities may be bad, and his intention also may be bad. Though he may be smiling, though he may be talking very gently, though he may show that he is your very trustworthy friend, best friend, yet he may deceive internally. That's why it may be called all that glitters is not gold. Means the person who is looking good externally, outwardly, maybe that internally he may be bad. He may do the destructive work. He may do the harm to you. So that's why it is called. In the same way, Shakespeare has written in the play Hamlet, the world is a stage. Means as in stage, world is a stage means it is a stage, and man and woman who are living in this world, all the creatures are not to live permanently forever. All the creatures have short life, and after finishing their life they will leave the world forever, they have not to come. So that's why it is called the world is a stage. As on the stage, the actors and actresses play their roles, and whenever their roles is finished, they leave the stage forever. In the same way, world is the real stage. Nobody has to live permanently. He has to live shortly, very short life. That's why it is called that world is a stage. And in the same way, the distant mountains look the green means others things look attractive, more attractive than ours. Or from distance everything may be, outwardly everything may be attractive, but whenever we see in a very little distance, we see that the person or the thing is not as good as it looks. So in the same way, I am giving you few lines which you have to use So these idioms are asked for using in your sentences, so that your sentence may give the proper meaning, clear meaning of these idioms or the phrases or proverbs. As all in all means totally honor, totally master. We shall use it. My father is all in all of my family. Means my father is supremo or supreme body of my family. President of India is all in all of the nation. Means he is total owner, totally responsible person of this nation India. In this way, all in all means totally owner. My father is all in all of my family. In the same way, a bed of roses means easy life. As the post of the Prime Minister is not a bed of roses. In this way, we have to use. Bread and butter means living. So every young man should earn a living for the support of his family. He should not waste time any useless ways. By all means wholehearted. Means we should work, everybody should complete his work wholeheartedly. Means by all means. Everybody should complete his works by all means. Child's play, easy work. Child's play, easy work. Means as to write Urdu for a Hindu is not a child's play. Or for Hindu, English speaking is a child's play. Like this. At random means suddenly, all of sudden. At random, few friends arrived my house on Sunday. Means suddenly few friends arrived or came my house. In the same way, as far as means so far. As far as for me, I am not responsible for this bad work. So thus we can use call names. Call names means abuse, means ill names. Use the bad words for any person for insulting. As my neighbor often call names the respected persons, it is his bad habit. Thus we may use it. Or flat means having no effect. Means without any effect. As the few persons in the family doing nothing, so they are far flat. In every person, in every family, there are few persons who are far flat. Means they do nothing, they are useless. Bold from the blue means great shock. As Mr. Sharma's friend died, who was very faithful. Mr. Sharma's faithful friend died, that's why it was blue, it was bold for blue to Mr. Sharma. So in this way you have to use. You have to use these sentences yourself like this, and I am sending you few of the sentences by answering, with answering, and you have to write down in the fair copy. Thank you very much.